For this question, we need to determine tension in each segment and the dimension of H. First of all, from the free body diagram, we know at the support gonna have horizontal and vertical reaction respectively at A and D. So we take summation moment at A equal to 0 positive clockwise. So 3 kN times 2 positive way. So 8 kN to point A is clockwise, so positive 8 times 4 meter. Then for VD to point A is anti-clockwise, so negative VD. Distance for that one is 2 plus 2 plus 1.5, so 5.5. Then HD to point A is negative times 2 meter for perpendicular distance, so equal to 0. So we cannot solve this question, so we take as first equation, because in here we have two unknown, VD and HD. So then we go for segment DC. So this is segment CD or segment DC. We have reaction VD and HD, and here is 8 kN. So we take summation moment at C equal to 0 positive clockwise. Then we have HD to point C times by 2. Then VD to C is anti-clockwise, so negative VD. Distance for that one is 1.5 equal to 0. So we have equation for HD equal to 0.75 VD for second equation. Then we substitute HD into first equation. So we have this equation 38 minus 5.5 VD minus 0.75 VD times 2 equal to 0. So now we have one unknown, so we can solve it and we get VD is 5.4 kN. Then substitute this VD into second equation, then we get HD is 4.07 kN. Next, we take summation Fy equal to 0 positive upward. So VA going up minus by 3, going down, so minus X going down, so plus VD going up, so equal to 0. Then we get our VA is 5.57 kN. Then we take summation of Fx equal to 0 positive to the right. Then we know HD minus HA equal to 0. So we get our HA equal to 4.07 kN. Next, still for segment DC, we need to determine tension at support D. So we need to determine this angle and we need to determine this TDC. We know force for VD and HD. Calculate tangent, so we get it 53.13 degree. Then we take summation Fy equal to 0 positive upward. So we have 5.43 going up, and then we have to resolve TDC into y direction, so minus TDC sine 53.13 equal to 0. Then we get our TDC is 6.79 kN. Then we go for segment AB. So we know forces at the support here. Then we don't know this H yet. So we take summation moment at B equal to 0 positive clockwise. So 5.57 times by 2 meter minus 4.07 times by H equal to 0. Then we can get our H equal to 2.74 meter. Then we need to find this theta. So theta is 2 divided 2.74 and our theta is 36.13. Then we take summation Fy equal to 0, positive upward. So 5.57 going up, so positive. Then minus TAB, resolve it into Y. So minus TAB cos 36.13 equal to 0. Then we get our TAB is 6.90 kilonewton. Next, we go for segment BC. So here is segment BC. We know the distance is 4 meter. Therefore, here is 4 meter minus 2.74. We get 1.26 meter. Then theta is 57.79 degree. Next, we take summation Fy equal to 0, positive upward. Then we have negative 3 because it's going down, minus because this TBC going down, so negative TBC in Y direction, so cos 57.79, then plus 5.57 equal to 0. So we get our TBC is 4.82 kilonewton. Please remember, because we take this half and our TBC we have to resolve into X and Y direction. That's why when we calculate summation of Fy, we didn't take this 8 kilonewton because we already cut this into half.